Ta-da! So I hate to break it to you on today's video that there are over 2.3 million sellers just like you on Fiverr. And these 2.3 million sellers are struggling for over 3.42 million buyers that you have on Fiverr in total. That's for 2021. So you see that the struggle to get buyers is real. I mean, this much number of buyers are on Fiverr and they are trying to get this much number of sellers to buy their gigs. So it's a struggle. So you don't just fold your hands and stay there for buyers to come. Please, you have to do an extra work. You need to stand out. And this is exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Prior to this video, I know some of you know popular niches or gigs that you offer, and you just go into there without making proper research and you keep on struggling to make sales. No, it will not work this time. So please pay close attention. So let's get started. But before I dive into this video, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, give this video a like, and I appreciate that a lot. With that said, let's get to the video. So first of all, I don't know, you guys might be bored by all these talks of low competition gigs, but trust me, this is the new normal as a Fiverr seller, okay? Because if you keep on going for those high competition gigs as a new seller, my God, even if you apply all the title, all the ranking tips it will be very hard to rank, trust me. So you should pay close attention to, giving low competition gigs a chance. Like number one, you have the first low competition gigs you should be into, you should equip yourself to go into in 2022, if not now, is tutorial video making. I've researched this 5 gigs to show in this video. As you can see, there are only 3,242 services available. So it's not that there is no much competition going on for now. Okay, so Fiverr is crazy. You might wake up the next morning and boom, you are seeing 10,000 available service and co. So if you want to get in now, please get in now, start. So what these guys are doing is tutorial video making. This is a low competition gig that you can offer. So what these guys do here is they do tutorial, like this video I'm recording right now is a tutorial video. I'm teaching you something. I'm screencasting, showing my screen and showing you something. Okay, talking about Fiverr. So this is basically what these guys do on this video, on this particular niche on Fiverr. They do like this person said, I will do customized makeup tutorial for you. That's number one. I will screencast HD video tutorials or demo for your website or app. That's number two. Then there are, this is just basically it. If you have a PC, your phone, you are so vast, okay, you can make research, then you can do this, offer this particular gig on Fiverr. And I'm not just bluffing. This green stuff you see here, right here, are orders in queue for each of these sellers. This person has one order in queue, 2 orders, 3 orders, 1 order, and look at the number of likes they have and the number of services they have sold in the past. So you guys see 3 orders in queue, 1 orders in queue, 3 orders in queue, 1 order in queue, 2, and so on and so forth. And you guys look, if you look at the number of reviews these guys got, they are all in the low. It's like this person has 50, this person has 17, this person have 9. Okay, this person has 177, 20, and so on and so forth. So number 6. This person has 11. So nothing so much, nothing that crazy going on in this particular niche. So you see, it's low competition. This is why I love low competition gigs. So no, I don't need to stress this. Please, this gig is very, very hot. Go learn how to, record tutorials. This is the only thing you need to know. Okay, and how to make research in case if you get order on this particular niche, and position yourself well for 2022. Okay, to offer this gig on Fiverr. And trust me, if you do everything right, sales should be coming to you. So moving on to the second one, we have another gig here, which is infographics. Infographics is a design-based service. Okay, and what you are doing is, or what these sellers are doing is, you'll be giving an information to represent in a picture, in a well-designed graphics. That's what people on infographics do. Okay, and like you guys can see, the first gig you have here, I will create unique and eye-catching infographics. Infographics can be anything. A doctor can give you an information to create an infographics on kidney failure, or a data scientist can give you information to create infographics on computer science data and all of those things. There are so many, so vast. Okay, all you need to do is to have your graphic design skills intact, okay, to be able to design these infographics. And you have a very nice tool to help you achieve this. Canva is there. Canva has let me go over to Canva. I think Canva has a lot of templates. Canva have a lot of templates that you can easily design infographics from. Let me see. Info. Okay, so this is more like education infographics. Is on Canva. Make sure you have a Canva Pro before doing this though. And if you don't have Canva Pro, if you want to get Canva Pro, leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me to add you to my class and I will do that for you. I'll add you. I'll give you access to my class for free. Okay, as so far as you are my subscriber though. So scrolling down, you see on Fiverr there are so many infographics templates that you can design from. It's very simple to use. Okay, you can just edit them to your own taste. So back to what I was saying. Then this particular niche or gig, why is it hot? I want to show you also, like I showed in the past. Man, this person has 13 orders in queue. My God, has sold over 1k gigs in the past. This person has 13 orders in queue. And guys, look at this. Look at this. Less than 5,000 services available. Can you guys see it? Less than 5,000. The competition is very low. Look at this person, 2 orders in queue, 7 orders in queue, 24 orders in queue, and he's not even a top rated seller. 6 orders in queue. I think this is the hottest news I've seen so far. 7 orders in queue, and so on and so forth. And this is so much orders in queue for a gig that has just 5,900, almost 6,000 available service. I mean, this is hot. So no need stressing this. Go into infographics, create a gig, do all the SEO involved, and trust me, with time, orders will start coming. Then moving on to the next one, I have unboxing videos. Unboxing videos is another gig, low competition gig you should try in 2022. This particular gig has just 296 persons or services under it, and if you look at the orders, like numbers don't lie, guys. This person has sold up to 88, 3 orders in queue, 6 orders in queue, 9 orders in queue, 1 order in queue, 3 orders in queue, 15 orders in queue. My God, 3 orders in queue, and the list goes on and on and on. Okay, 1 orders in queue. So this is yet another low competition gig. Just 296 available service. And when I check, let me see if I can get the number of available reviews. 4. Not much going on here. 193, 153. Okay, 42, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is another one. Make sure you don't skip it. Please go into it. This gig is hot and the competition is very low. Then moving on to the next one is book editing. Less than 3,826 services available, as you guys can see, and orders in queue are still pretty much okay for such a niche with less competition. Okay, then the last but not the least is article to video. This one has more like greater competition going on. 10,000 services available, but it still was the short. If you look at the orders in queue for this particular gig, okay, and you can use a website called lumen5.com to deliver this particular gig. It's not that hard, it's not that technical. Okay, so with this, I'm going to end this video here. Please share, like, and comment so that this video gets to everybody that needs to see it. Okay, Please make sure this 5 gigs or services, low competition keywords gigs on Fiverr that I have mentioned in this video, 1, 2, 3, up to 5 of them. I will list it in the comment section and also in the description for those that want to have a recap. If I'm too fast in the video, please make sure you dive into it, take advantage of it, and trust me, if you do your SEO right, if you do your tax right and everything right, then Fiverr algorithm will pick up your gig and run you through orders will come, messages will come, and you start making sales on Fiverr. And I hope I've done my own part. So please do your own part now. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Like and share this video. Leave a comment. I appreciate that a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.